So here we have the Ford Ranger on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you the space in the rear of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see, as I'm sure you'd expect there to be, there's plenty of space in the back here. You can, of course, open this top section to increase that even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. In the centre, you can see we have the main speedometer. Beneath that, we've got the gear the car is in, so it's an automatic. We're in park at the moment. Over on the right-hand side, we have a digital readout for the speedometer and the fuel gauge, as well as the total miles for the car as well, which are 11,513. You can change the information displayed both on the right-hand side and over on the left-hand side as well by using buttons on the steering wheel. So there are various different menus you can have displayed up there. And that is done using these buttons for this side and these ones for that side. Also over here, we've got cruise control and the speed limiter. And on the left-hand side, stereo and phone controls. In the center is where you'll find the touchscreen. We're on the radio menu here at the moment. So we've got AM, FM and DAB radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do that via the Bluetooth audio that you can see being shown on screen now. We've also got two separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here as further options for you. You can go back to your home screen up there. And from there, you can, for example, pair your phone by hitting Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there, and I'm sure you saw it just a moment ago there, just briefly, but we've also got satellite navigation. We've done a full video just kind of running through how the sat-nav works. You can find that on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way down, we have the stereo, so the main volume for the stereo just here. Beneath that, we have dual zone climate control, so we can adjust the passenger temperature up and down, driver temperature up and down, fan speed up and down. Any adjustment you make will temporarily show on the screen just here. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is off at the moment or back on again, or you can press auto. If you do that, the car will take control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can override that by making any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. We have a heated front screen just there. Heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger just on the left-hand side there. 2 12-volt charging sockets, 2 USB inputs, and then we have these buttons down here. So we can turn off the parking sensors, we can turn off the stop and start for the vehicle, we can turn off the traction control, we can lock the differential, we can turn on downhill brake control, and you can put it in 4-wheel drive just here as well. And then finally we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. There's a plus and minus button on the side here. That is so you can change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.